Okay, so that explains the feed roller engagement device, or as I like to call it, FRED. Then I know I won't hurt my feed rollers by leaving the engagement on with the machine turned off, because what can happen is it can wear out some of the parts associated with the feed roller drive, and then you could possibly get uneven feeding of your workpiece as you're doing the thicknessing process. So therefore I deemed it important for me to know that I had that item engaged or not. And I talked to Felder about that, and they concurred with that idea that it wouldn't hurt at all to do something like that. So now I'm going to try to take a piece of wood that has some issues and make it into a better piece of wood for demonstration purposes. So I need a minute to set up the camera so you can get a full field view of what I'm attempting to do.